Why do the events team swear by EventDraw? Because it makes their life easier and their events spectacular. EventDraw is your secret weapon for flawless event planning. Imagine creating stunning 2D or 3D floor plans with a simple drag and drop. No more guesswork, just perfect layouts every time. EventDraw can boost your venue's space efficiency by up to 20%. That means more guests, more events, and more revenue. Just adding one extra table could earn you up to $270,000 annually. Your clients will love the professional touch. A polished layout signals that you're organized and ready to manage any event. Plus, more forward bookings mean a steady stream of business. Whether you manage a stadium, convention center, or hotel, EventDraw is designed to make your job easier and your events unforgettable. So why wait? Elevate your event planning game and watch your profits soar. Ready to unlock the full potential of your event space? Try EventDraw today.